I have a question for you today. What are the consequences of your inaction? Ask yourself that. When it relates to your goal or your biggest dream, what are the consequences of you not taking action? What are you going to lose out on? What might you miss? What kind of joy and excitement and happiness could you possibly be missing simply because you're allowing fear and insecurities to overwhelm you and stop you from achieving your biggest dreams? What if I could tell you that there is a way to overcome those fears? By fear setting, it's the same kind of concept as goal setting, but it allows you to overcome those fears. Use the tools that are in the links below to overcome your fears and to actually achieve your dreams. I promise you can do it. It's so worth it, and I'm here to help you the entire way. Comment below, share this, share the link with your friends if you know anyone that might be helped by this. And as always, I'm here for you, and I love you, and thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.